Well. We've got another new track here by Hail the Sun. I just recently started listening to this band. I'm freaking excited for this. This track is called Made Your Mark, and we've got a music video to check out. And I'm ready, so let's get right into it. Got like a church organ or something here. Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, I'm outside.
What
Okay,
is
bye.
gonna happen?
Hello.
Got like a little bit of a backstory here or something.
I remember watching and waiting to
Hold on. I just want to shout out. I didn't even realize I got the same car.
How's your day?
I remember
Civic hatchback, baby.
and waiting to talk. Couldn't get enough of the way that you spoke. You'd come over here soon after that. Left your tears one by
that bass?
one in Malibu sand. Though we knew we shouldn't, we acted on impulse. Who were we to fight it? The magnetic pole.
This reminds me of something that Tillian would sing. Ooh, I like this, and it's got these kind of really kind of summery vibes. This is really, really nice.
To fight it, the magnetic pole. Drove you aimlessly through Echo Park. Taught me patience while I taught you guitar.
Looks like Bill Murray.
Wherever we end up, know that you've made your mark. I'm forever lost, forever caught by your moment
Oh yeah.
I can be deceptive, I'll never deserve you. And even though it's selfish, I still want you near.
Hey, this is some freaking chill vibes. This is so good. Oh man, this is like a song. It's just like putting me in a good mood. It's oh my gosh, this is ear like satisfaction.
Never deserve you. And even though it's selfish,
Little
I still
lead
want you
guitar riff
near.
thingy. Ooh.
From your flat, we'd view Chelsea at night. You'd play piano while I took in the side. You knocked the light. Wherever we end up, know that you've made your mark. I'm forever lost.
Amazing voice.
Forever caught by photos in a chapter. Black city caps on the bridge. Wherever you end up, forever marked, forever marked.
Really nice vibes. Vocal work is very reminiscent of Tillian. I like that. Oh my gosh, yeah, that song had like feel good summertime written all over it. That was so nice. Wait a second. Hold on. Wait a freaking second. I was scrolling through here I did not even notice this. They freaking doubled all the band members. How did I not notice this? What was I freaking looking at the whole time I watched that? What was I looking at the whole time? I did not even, I've had like 5 glasses of wine at this point. I did not even notice. I literally didn't even freaking notice. Okay, whatever. I noticed it now. I noticed it now. People have probably already reamed me in the comments already, but hey. I freaking noticed it now. Okay. Hail the Sun, Major Mark. Amazing, as I've already said. Really, really nice, groovy, chill vibes. Summertime kind of track, feel good. Vocalist, oh my gosh, voice is amazing. It's very reminiscent of Tillian, in my opinion, at least in this track specifically, with the kind of singing, humming type layering that was going on, kind of tucked right underneath the lyrics. I thought that just sounded freaking amazing. Nice, lovely little kind of lead guitar riffs going on. Some cool drum work here. Bass, very standout-ish. Always appreciated. Just a freaking solid track that made me smile. I really, really enjoyed that. I cannot believe that the whole time I watched the music video, I did not realize that they were freaking duplicating everyone. I mean, they're freaking duplicating the vocalist right in front of me. How did I not notice? Okay, whatever. Call me out on it. That was an amazing track. Can't wait to check out some more. I hope they release more new music, but I've only just recently started discovering this band, so please throw some other suggestions out there for me to check out. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.